Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F62 error code and you're trying to figure out what is this error and what do I need to do to get rid of it. So unfortunately this error is not one of the easier errors to remove. Some of them are, they're localized and you can just fix them without needing a technician or anything like that. This error is actually the program selector that's defective. So in 90% of the cases, you're going to need to replace the program selector, and you're going to need a technician to do that. But one thing you can do with these electronic errors that these machines can throw up is to just do a hard restart on the machine and see if that doesn't clear out the error. Because just like a computer, these modern machines, sometimes they just throw up these crazy errors. And so what you want to do is just turn the machine off, unplug it from the wall, or turn it off at the circuit, and leave it off for a whole minute. And then when that minute is up, then you can plug it back in, turn it back on, and see if it doesn't clear this out. Now, it may not clear it out, but it might do it, and then you won't have to call the technician. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.